it's Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am in the kitchen today sharing a tip for how you can be a little more productive in your cooking and time in the kitchen. And this tip is about labels. Of course, I recommend you use labels wherever you can. You can put labels on bins, you can put labels on jars, you can put labels on leftovers, you can put labels on the front of a shelf. And another place you can use labels is actually out on the counter, particularly when you have multiple users in your space who might not know what is where. So my example is these signs for coffee, calf and decaf. My daughter happened to make these for me. She bought these plastic shields and she made the signs in multiple decorations and patterns so I can change them out. I don't use them all the time because those of us who live here know which is the calf and which is the decaf. But when I have house guests, or when I'm throwing a party, or when I'm having company over, I always pull these out. And it's so nice to have them just sitting on my shelf. I store them like this, so they take up very little space. And I can just whip them out and answer that question right away about, is it calf? Is it decaf? They're ready to go. You might have other types of things in your life that you put out that people are asking about. So remember the power of a label. And it can be any size, any color. You might even be able to find some that are super fancy, but having them on hand will save you when that question is coming up and you're busy doing other things. A tip to help you be more productive in your kitchen.